G'day viewers, well I've played around with this VFD. I got the lamp ones and the played around with the what do you call it, the bloody voltage and frequency settings on this meter, sorry, VFD. Yeah, to work right. I've done some set the limit to 100 Hertz. It does help. Having it set all the way to 400 Hertz is too much of a pain in the ass. I cannot actually run that fast. Only for the spindle it would, but not for motors like this. No, it's not designed to run at 400 Hertz. Real world sort of use, 100 Hertz and max this is going to go. Same with this one. Real world scenario here. So I've got this VFD set up at 70 Hertz. Let's go on to 70 Hertz. I've played with the decel and acceleration times, and that has improved things a lot. 1037 RPM, which is rotation. Reverse, trying to reverse the motor. It's not perfect, but that's better than what it was. Air coming off that. That's working quite nicely. No faults. It actually put a bit of current there. The light dimmed a bit. So it's actually doing some work, this VFD now. I'll get a little marking stick set up going. I have to tripod out wherever that is, and I'll do some marking on that. Show you some marks. Okay, viewers, I'll set this thing up and we can start arcing to it. Forwards, doesn't matter which way, it's still going to arc and burn. Got plenty of torque on the parts on the load. Ooh, this drive feels it. It needs more fine tuning. Oh yeah, that's working the drive up. I got a short there. Where am I arcing to? The short that out like that. Must have arced through something, has it? I'll say it has. I've almost got enough torque for that, so this is a good test for this VFD. It should run this thing without any drama, but it took a bit of stalling there as I loaded it up. Let's start it under load again. About 5 amps. The VFD is pulling 5 amps. Amps are dropping down with 2 amps on the mains. I'm pulling 2 amps on the mains. Yeah, they're going to current steady now. Frequency down. 60 Hertz. Look at the amp meter. I'll show you the BRZ meter. Oh, that's bright. Put them 2 amps on the mains. Safety glasses, bloody hell. I forgot how bright this thing was. Quick break. Fisher and Proper Smart Drive's not even warm. The VFD is staying cold, the motor's staying cold. The windings on my Fisher and Proper Smart Drive barely warm. They're warm, but not that warm. Just starting to get warm. I take a bit of turning when it's shorted like that from stalling. Anyway, I'm going to show you what the VFD actually pulls. The VFD, that's the most I've ever pulled off that VFD. So I'm getting some of this now. It's actually starting to do some work. Over here. It should be 15 amp or 13 amps. That's what I will pull off the mains. 13 amps. That's its full current. Anyway, the motor shaft's not hot. That's alright. Little things like that you can keep an eye on for little losses and things in the motor settings app. Anyway, I'm going to do the same thing as I did just now, but I'm going to have the camera on the BAZ and the amp meter. All that stuff burning stinks. Excuse the glare, but we'll see what happens here. Seems to be an alright shot there. Just mind the glare. All that circuit board stinks. Stand roll back. Safety first. This is potentially 700 volts. It's still going to kill, so I'll be safe. Sort it out. Fully loaded, 5 amp. Draw the arc, hit a sweet spot, and it pulls the most amps. 6 amps. Just to the amp meter there. Pop that out, stop, I got a phone call, be back in a minute. There you go viewers, well this little setup works great. Works quite minty. Little Fisher and Parker smart job finally comes out to play properly again. Unplug the VFD. As I said, I'm going to play around with the parameters again. That's the best I've got it so far. The best performance out of it yet since I've had it. So it goes good in the smaller, much smaller rated motor that a drive's rated for. So it's a 4 horsepower drive. I got the best performance yet on this 1.5 horsepower motor. Getting better performance than out of that 3 horsepower motor I used the first time. CMG one. It's nice and epic. I'm going to try and follow my other chicken stickies. Not only popped the caps yet, but I've got to arc to them. Nice arky sparkiness on there. It's a mainboard out of an old bloody Epson printer. Put the SD cards or USB in there and start printing photos. Nice and fried. We've got an excellent chip in there which is fried. No pop electrolytic caps yet, but I'm going to take all this shield off, reattempt this and make it pop. Oh, look at this. This is good to use on an Arduino. Should have kept it. Basically, I got a motor in a minute. I got a motor somewhere that's got a digital readout scale on it, a disc that goes in there, and it'll read the position of the motor, which is really cool. Same way a stepper motor works with these things here. Basically an infrared receiver and an LED, and it shows things going past it, and it rotates and counts how many times the motor goes, where the position of the motor is, which is cool. Anyway, that'll be enough for now. Good bit of fun, haven't done that in ages. Thanks for watching.